Whatever happens, I'll just keep moving forward. Like an avalanche. Makeup is not a mask that covers up your beauty. It's a weapon that helps you express who you are from the inside. I believe that rejection is a blessing because it's the universe's way of telling you that there's something better out there. Success is like a lightning bolt. It'll strike you when you least expect it, and you just have to keep the momentum going. You have to strike when the iron is hot. So for me, I just kept striking and striking to polish out the sword that I was making. You know, when you're a child and your imagination is limitless and you really believe in magic. I thought I had superpowers. Makeup is no different than clothes and accessories. It's embellishments for your face. And it also gives you creative freedom. You get to have that moment in front of the mirror every morning and give yourself self-love. You're making yourself up beautiful, which is essentially self-love. As my YouTube following grew, I was soon earning as much from advertising revenue as from waiting tables, so I quit my job. My boss thought I was crazy, which just made me more determined. In 2012, for years and 200 videos later, my channel was so successful that Google offered me $1 million to create 20 hours of content. I know I'm a storyteller at heart, and if there's a platform that needs stories, I'm going to be there. When you're eating a bowl of pho, you're eating everything you need. Every video I've made has an inspirational message behind it. Since day one, I thought, okay, I want my audience to be like Disney members. So if that's the case, I have to keep everything rated G. The beauty of the internet is there's a niche market for everything, and if you can't focus on it, you can build a sustainable and viable business of it. Just like hair frames our face, brows frame our eyes. I see so much potential in harmonized beauty whenever I see a woman who's not filling in her brows, and I just want to go in with my brow pencil and just be like, filling in eyebrows? Okay, done. Look in the mirror and be inspired. That's one of my pet peeves. But beauty is subjective. Influence is the new power. If you have influence, you can create a brand. As a young girl, I loved having stories read to me. There is something magical about narration and voiceovers. Recording voiceover is an art form in itself. I believe if religion brings you to a sense of peace, that's beautiful. But I also believe if religion's not your thing, that's fine, too, just so long as you're a good person and you find that one thing that leads you to peace and teaches you to have harmony with yourself and other people around you. What inspired me to work so hard and to maintain my determination was seeing my mother. She was an immigrant and was struggling in America to make it by. That inspired me to work hard. I am first a creator, but my ongoing objective is to leverage my personal success to help mentor new and existing talent and further help them achieve their goals. And Mold Beyond shares this vision, and together, we will drive the future of original content for generations to come. The Manuka Honey Face Mask is another favorite of mine that I actually do. I know there are these people that recommend crazy masks, and I'm like, there is no way you're putting that on your face. But I do put Manuka honey on my face. I take a teaspoon and warm it up. It's very easy to make a viral video, but longevity and consistency, that's hard. The first videos I uploaded on my own personal channel were videos of dogs. So many of my friends have 200,000 subscribers, and they make around 5 to 6K a month, which is completely cool. We're living in an age where we should be collaborating, because it's the internet now. It's hard to say who owns what. I call 2015 a year of deconstruction. I needed to deconstruct myself, my businesses, and find all of the holes in my empire. I had to find holes and fill them with people who could do it better. What if someone created some sort of eyebrow pencil that was revolutionary and that was made specifically to help eyebrows look more realistic? One day, you have a father who's always around, and then the next day, he's gone. I was too young to comprehend that. I actually thought he was going to come back. I always had that yearning, that hunger, to one day be independent and be my own person and build my own world. The most fulfilling thing is to live a life where you have freedom,